In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB Physics repeated questions under arrangement of cells and electric field. So we have 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question here says 3 cells each of EMF 1.5 volt and internal resistance 2.5 ohm are connected as shown in the diagram above. Find the net EMF and the internal resistance. Okay, so for this question, now note that when you are dealing with parallel connection, the EMF, the net EMF remain the same. So let's get the net internal resistance is going to be 1 over R equals 1 over 2.5 plus 1 over 2.5 plus 1 over 2.5. So this is points. Okay, the LCM is 2.5, so this will give you 1 plus 1 plus 1, left with 3 over 2.5. Okay, so this is 2.5, so we have 1 over R equals 3 over 2.5. When you cross multiply, you're going to have 2.5 equals 3R by both sides by 3. Okay, so when you punch this on the JAMB calculator you have here, we have 2.5 divide 3. We have 0.83. So this shows us that the net EMF will remain 1.5 volts and the net internal resistance will be 0.83. So the correct option this question is option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's try this now. Solve the next repeated question. Okay, so the next repeated question is this one. It says, what is the output EMF of 3 cells with EMF of 3V, 9V, and C and 2V connected in series? So since it's talking about series connection, the outputs of EMF of 3 cells will be 3V plus 9V plus 2V. Alright, so when you talk about series connection, you add each of them. So this is going to give you, when you sum, you're going to have 14V. So the correct option in this question is what? Option C, 14V. That's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says 6 identical cells, each of EMF 2V are connected in series. The effective EMF for the cell is, so it's talking about series connection and 6 identical cells are involved. So it will be 2V plus 2V plus 2V plus 2V plus 2V plus 2V into 6 times. So when you add, you're going to have 12 volts as the output of the effective EMF. That's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says calculate the effective EMF for the cells in the circuit above. So this is also series connection. So all you need to do is to add each of the EMF. So it will be 10V plus 7V plus 5V plus 12V. When you do this summation, you're going to have 34V. The correct option in this question is option D, which is 34V. Next question will be this one. It says one advantage of connecting electric cells in parallel is that the effective internal resistance is decreased, EMF is decreased, internal resistance is increased, EMF is increased. So the correct option is option A, which is internal resistance is decreased. Next question will be this one. It says 3 similar cells, each of EMF 2V and internal resistance 2 ohm are connected in parallel. We are talking about parallel connection again. The total EMF and total internal resistance are respectively. So since it's parallel connection, the EMF, the total EMF will remain 2V. That of internal resistance will be, so for parallel connection, 1 over R equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. LCM is 2, so you have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So you're left with 1 over R equals 3 over 2 cross multiply. So you have 2 equals 3R by both sides by 3. So when you punch in your calculator, 2 divided by 3, you're going to have 0.66. Let's verify. 2 divided 3. We have 0.66. So if you are leaving it to one decimal place, we give you 0.7. So this shows us that the correct option this question will be option A, which is 2 volts. The EMF, total EMF, total internal resistance will be 0.7 ohms. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the last question before we call it a class. Okay, so the last question will be this one. It says the electric field between 2 point charges is shown in the diagram above. What type of charges are at x and y? You have both x and y negative. X is negative and y is positive. X is positive and y is negative. We have both x and y are positive. So for this particular question, the correct option will be option D, which is both x and y are positive. Okay, so this basically you can do problems involving arrangement of cells and electric field for your JAMB Physics. Practice with 7 repeated questions under this topic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me have a feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button, where you will be receiving special information that will help to simplify your academic work. Alright, so having known that, click the next screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.